In today's video, I will show you how to create a professional promotional website in just 90 seconds using AI. For this, we will first create a prompt using ChatGPT. Here, I have written a prompt and added some details about the website. One important thing to remember is the more details you provide, the better your website will look. For example, you should mention what type of website you want to create, how many pages you need, what colors you want, what style you prefer. As you can see, I have added these details here.
I need a creator, influencer profile website with the following files: index.html, style.css, script.about me, terms and conditions, privacy policy.
You should write your prompt in the same way, and also make sure that at the top, you write, "Create text prompt for my website." Now, ChatGPT will generate a complete website prompt for you. We will copy that prompt from here. Next, you'll find the link to a website in the description of this video. Click that link and open the website called Lovable. Now, register using your email and log in. To do that, click Get Started from the top right corner and complete the sign-up process. After logging in, paste the prompt that we created using ChatGPT. I will also give the link to both of my prompts in the video description, so you can copy them easily. You can also use pre-made templates here, but in this video, we will create a website using a prompt. After pasting the prompt, press Enter. It may take a few seconds for your website to generate. Now, if you want to change anything on your website or replace any image, you can simply upload a file here and give instructions. For example, you can type, "Use this photo as a profile picture," and the photo will be updated automatically. You don't need to do any difficult coding. Now our website is ready. Next, we will get a free domain for our website. For that, click the Publish button at the top. Now choose any domain you like. Remember, these domains are free. If you want a custom domain like .com or .net, then click Add Custom Domain. After selecting the domain, click the Publish button again, and your website will go live. After publishing, you can still make changes by typing your instructions in the chat while previewing your website. Now, let's talk about some important features. First, there's Cloud. From here, you can manage your comments and other user data. Second, there's Design. From here, you can easily edit the theme and styling. Third, there's Code. Here, you can view your website code and edit it if you want. Fourth, there's Analytics. Here, you can track the performance and analytics of your website. You can also explore more options by clicking the plus icon. If you don't understand anything, feel free to ask your questions in the comments section below. And if you liked the video, don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel. Thank you for watching till the end.